Globally accepted, with hundreds of chambers currently installed and in use with world leaders in biopharmaceutical, laboratory research, and biotechnology, the Bioquell Qube delivers unparalleled efficiency, reliability, and ease of implementation to your aseptic environment. Unlike traditional stainless steel isolators, the Bioquell Qube system is modular and made from molded polypropylene, offering distinct, tangible benefits. Because of its manufactured method, production of the system is quicker, consistently crafted, ergonomically designed, and avoids the risks of leaks associated with welds, joints, and gaskets found in other isolators. And with initial cycles for testing being standardized, validation is rapid. This means that you can have a fully implemented and validated system in as little as 12 weeks from the initial order. Compared to stainless steel, the Bioquell Qube weighs significantly less and offers greater maneuverability. Combining these benefits with its small footprint allows any configuration to fit through most doorways and only requires a standard outlet to function, saving you from considerable operational downtime and potential construction costs. Capable of running at either positive or negative pressure, the Bioquell Qube can operate without being ducted into the HVAC as airflow is managed internally. If hazardous materials are being used, there is an option for external venting. Within the Bioquell Qube, a fully aseptic environment is created. Using Bioquell's integrated decontamination technology, our residue-free 35% hydrogen peroxide vapor, and it can retain an aseptic hold for at least 7 days. While it creates a Grade A ISO 5 equivalent workspace in the isolator, the system can reside in a lower-grade cleanroom, saving gowning time and operating costs. Each Bioquell Qube can be tailored to your requirements now and at a later date. Its modular design allows you to add or change configurations as you need. Technicians enjoy working with the Bioquell Qube because it has been designed with their comfort as a core feature, aiding in a highly optimized and thoroughly efficient workflow. At all times, you have full traceability and regulatory compliance through RFID tags on hydrogen peroxide bottles, environmental monitoring and integrated cycle reports providing detailed cycle parameters. Optional capacity for 21 CFR Part 11 compliant logging software is available as well. The flexibility of the Bioquell Qube doesn't stop at its modular capability and hydrogen peroxide vapor technology. It also offers seamless integration options, such as incorporating the world's leading sterility test pump from Merck Millipore, 4 options of environmental monitoring to suit your needs, complete racking solutions for various load configurations of supplies, rapid transfer port, integrated screen and camera for recording and displaying worksheets, an easy-to-use glove integrity test system, and SafeSort prescription towers. With cycle times as low as 20 minutes and the capability to work in up to 2 modules while incoming supplies are decontaminated, the Bioquell Qube allows for a dynamic and highly efficient workflow. A comprehensive solution utilizing advanced hydrogen peroxide vapor decontamination with industry-leading technology and ergonomic design, the Bioquell Qube provides an ideal alternative to traditional stainless steel isolators. Whether you work in sterility testing, drug compounding, or gene and cell therapy manipulation, the Bioquell Qube is the most efficient, reliable, and easy-to-implement system for biopharmaceutical, laboratory research, and biotechnology.